Hi everyone, in today's video I will guide you on how to start an LLC in Texas. After watching this video, you can launch your own limited liability company in Texas using an app called Busy. I will provide you with every up-to-date info that you need to know about Busy and the tools that you need to successfully establish your business. So first, what is LLC or limited liability company? So LLC is a type of business structure that combines elements of both corporations and partnerships. It offers flexibility and protection, making it a popular choice for many entrepreneurs. So first, you have to dive into busy.com as I already did it. So and then you click over for your free LLC now. Then we have here start your business with. So we'll click over start over here. And we will start your business with confidence. You will choose your entity type. You have here corporation, non-profit. So of course we will choose LLC. About states, we will choose Texas, of course. Then we will find here three packages. The first one we have it's basic, and then we have standard, then we have premium. About the first one we have it's for free plus $300 state fee, and it's 4 weeks. And we have here preparing and filling the articles of organization and free first year registered agent service. Then we have also online access dashboard, business banking account offer, business tax consultation, errors form 2553, and this one you have to pay $50. So about the second one we have standard one, we have $199 plus $300 state fee. We have 4 weeks here, and we have all this one plus expedited filing, and we have here. So sorry about the second one, we have only business tax number, operating agreement. Then also we have lifetime compliance alerts, and we have a limited phone and email support, and we have here form 2553. And about the last one, we have all these things, but we have three more things, like we have expedited film, and we have business contract templates, and we have this one, domain name plus business email. Once you choose your package, you have to click over get started. Then you will find this page, and we have your company information. So you will have to write your LLC name, for example, it's right Mike, and then you click off, you choose first designator LLC, of course, and you click over next. Then we have here this next page, it's state filing. So we have here 2 business days filing time. You have to pay $50, and we have the second one, it's 4 weeks filing time, and it's free. So for of course I will choose the second one. Then we have here contact person. You have to write your personal information like first name, last name, email, and mobile phone. After writing your personal information, you click over next, and you will find this page, company address information. So you read this, benefits of using a private virtual mail address. So we choose first one, professional business address and virtual mail service. It's $29 per month. And we have the second one, it's free and use my own address. So let's click on over the second one. Then you have to write your personal information about the first one. If you choose the first one, street address, address code, city, state, and zip code. About the second one, company address, you have to write your personal information like street address, city, state, and zip code. Then you click over next if you write your personal information. So here we have confirm your address, use Android. Then you have to pay this price, it's 149, and you click over get a limited time. Then you have to select number of members. So of course I will choose one, and because I work individual. Then you will write your personal information, then you click over next. Then the next page we have registered agent information. So you have to read this information, then you choose if you assign Busy as my registered agent fee for 1 year, or you will choose I would like to act as my own registered agent. If you choose this one, you have to write this information, then you click over next. But let's choose the first one and we click over next. Then we have here the next page, it's tax identification number information. You have to read this one. So then I'm a foreign individual and do not have a social security. So we'll click over yes, and we click over agree. Then you write your personal information and you click over next. Then we have setting up small business banking. So we have to read this information, and we have here relay, no account fees or minimums, up to 20 individual checking accounts to help you control projects, have employees, no problem. FTC insured, then you click over yes, I'm interested. Then we have your tax strategy free consultation. You have to read this, what you will learn, how your LLC is taxed, how to choose the proper, and you have to read this. And then you click over I am not interested at this time. Yes, I would like to receive the business tax consultation. And then you click over next. Then we have this next step, it's business license and permits. You have to read this one, then you click over no thanks, I will do the work myself. Then you can choose also yes please mail the application, and you have to pay $99. You click over next. Then we have a order summary for, so you have to edit this one and modify your personal information if your information is false, like agent info, company address and contact and other things. Then you click over next, and we have the last step, it's billing information. You can choose PayPal or credit card, and you write your personal information. As you can see, you have to write your card number, expiry date, and we have CVV and CVC. Once you're done with this, you have to read this information like additional explanation for what is the cancellation policy for my order, can I date my order after it's been placed, what happens after I pay, how can I track my order. So you click over here and you will get your answer. Then you have to click over I agree to the legal statement and consultation policy. Then you click over complete and pay, and you have done with how to start an LLC in Texas. So as you guys can see, with the help of Busy, you can create your own LLC in Texas. It's a straightforward, guided process, not to mention how affordable and hassle-free it can be. I hope this video has made the process clearer and more manageable and more manageable for you. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more business tips and tutorials. And if you have any questions, feel free to ask us in the comment sections down below, and I will be happy to help, and have a fantastic day ahead.